Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over the employee list and detail screens. To get to the employee list, simply click on the list button next to employee, and you will see all of your active employees listed alphabetically. You can sort by any of the columns by selecting the sort order after clicking the little down arrow. And you can also move any of the columns if you prefer them to be in a different order. All you have to do is click on the column header, click and drag, and let go when the column is in the order you want it to be. To see only your inactive employees, you can go to the bottom and select status to show, either all or just all inactive at the bottom. To add a new employee, you can click on the Add New Employee button at the top, and you can always import employees in bulk if you prefer, and there is a separate video on how to import data. To open an employee record, simply double-click on the employee's last name, and you'll be taken to the employee detail screen. This top portion is locked for editing, so you don't accidentally make any changes or delete the record, but simply click the edit button and you're free to make any needed changes. The top portion contains the employee's last name, first name, ID number. Keep in mind all ID numbers for training and employee records must have a unique number associated with them. And the numbers can be alphanumerical as well. The primary job title can be selected from the job title dropdown, and you can manage job titles and departments and other lookup list items by either double-clicking in this field or by going to lookup list and selecting which lookup list you would like to manage. There is a separate video on this. You can select a department as well as enter an email address for your employee in the email field. You can select a supervisor from the supervisor field, which is a dropdown of all of your active employees. You can select a shift, the employee type, and their location. You can always type in a brand new location, shift, type, job title, and department directly into the fields. You can enter a start date for the employee. We always recommend having a start date listed for all of your employees because that is one of the ways TrainTrack calculates due dates, either the employee start date plus the training grace period or the training release date plus the grace period, whichever date comes later. Lastly, you can select which status the employee would have, either from active or inactive. So you can change a status for someone to be inactive if perhaps they are going to be on leave for a little while and you don't want them showing up on reports temporarily. You can also delete an employee if you would like, and keep in mind that there is a way to restore deleted employee and training records, and all the completions and requirements will be restored along with the record. Down below, you will see all the relating information about the employee that you are reviewing. So you can select if you'd like to see their status, their requirements, their completion records, employee info, and job titles and roles. This is where you would also go to adding additional job titles for them if you would like. Just go to job titles, roles, additional job titles, and select any additional job titles that you would like them to have. And as soon as you add an additional job title, any training that's required for the additional job title or job titles that you add will be automatically required for the employee. If you need to pull a report just for a specific employee you're looking at, you can use either of these three buttons at the top to pull the report for just the particular employee or training record you're looking at. That report will have the employee's information at the top, their training statuses, and any other relating information down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.